Hi friends! Welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. Today I want to share with you my pumpkin shokupan. Do you like the taste of fall? For me, one of the tastes of fall is pumpkin. It's the time to enjoy baking for your Halloween and holidays. It's amazingly soft and fluffy, and the natural sweetness is so comfortable. It's not so sweet as sweet buns, so you can serve with savory dishes. Let's get started. You can use pumpkin or squash, whatever you have on your hand, or you can use canned pumpkin puree. Let's cook my kabocha. I'm using the Japanese kabocha squash. Wrap it in a piece of plastic and cook in the microwave for 800 watt for 2 minutes or until fully cooked. If you don't want to use the microwave, steam or boil instead. While cooking, combine the dry ingredients. Today I used dried milk, which is commonly used in the Japanese bakery. Dry milk adds milky flavor without making the dough sticky. Scrape the flesh from the kabocha. You will need 180 grams of the flesh. Mash the kabocha into a paste. As you can see, Japanese kabocha contains less water and very starchy, and it's sweeter than any other pumpkins. If you are using canned pumpkin puree, skip this process. Add in half the amount of water from the ingredients to cool it down before adding the egg. Crack in your egg and beat until well combined. Do not worry if there are small chunks remains. Pour in the pumpkin puree into the stand mixer bowl in slow and steady stream. Add in the rest of the water. Do not add all of the water at this stage. If you are using canned pumpkin puree or pumpkin has more moisture, use less water to keep the consistency. I add all the water into my dough. The dough is a little bit sticky than you think, but it's the ideal consistency to make a fluffy and moist bread. If you are not comfortable with the consistency, add less water to keep it easy to handle. When you pinch the dough and it stretches like paper thin, it's the time to add butter. When you add the butter, that dough will fall apart, but it comes together in a couple of minutes. After 3 minutes of mixing, the dough becomes more elastic and shiny like this. Shape into a ball and put it back in the greased bowl. Cover with plastic and let it rise for the first rise until double in bulk at the warm place for 40 to 45 minutes. Punch the dough and let it rise for the second rise for about 30 minutes or until double in volume. Let's check the fermentation when white or not with the finger test. Poke the dough with your dusted finger in the center. The hole stays as it is. It's okay to go. If the hole shrinks or bounces back, leave 10 minutes more. If the dough starts to collapse, work quickly as you can. Divide the dough into 6. It's about 140 grams each dough. Shape into balls and cover with plastic wrap to prevent from drying. Take 10 minutes bench rest. After 10 minutes, roll the dough out and shape into a ball. What this does is removing excess carbon dioxide and provide oxygen to evenly rise for the final stage. Put the dough balls into a well-greased mold. Leave it at warm place about 40 to 45 minutes until the dough rises 1 cm from the edge. While the final fermentation, preheat the oven for 100 degrees Celsius. Pop in the oven and immediately reset the oven for 200 degrees Celsius. Bake for 40 minutes. If your bread turns brown quickly, cover with a piece of aluminum foil. After 40 minutes, take out from the oven and tap the mold onto your working surface to remove the hot air inside. To make it more attractive, apply butter while still hot. The butter makes it shine and make it even more flavorful. How adorable my pumpkin shokupan! Leave it until cool to the room temperature before cutting. It's really soft, so I decide to leave it for the next day. Look at that bright yellow crumb. You can see how fluffy it is. You can make a great toast, which I love the most. And it makes a great chicken sandwich with your leftover chicken. But today, Halloween and holidays are approaching. Let's make French toast. French toast is not an everyday thing, so I want my French toast indulgent. It should be thick and fluffy with caramelized crunchy outside. Soak a thick slice of pumpkin shokupan well. Some people want their French toast soak up the custard just outside, but I want mine soak up into the center and I like it pudding-like texture. Drop half a tablespoon of unsalted butter and put it in the frying pan. On medium-low heat and cover, cook for 3 minutes. Flip it over and cook another 3 minutes. When it touches the center and it bounces back, it's cooked. This is how I finish my French toast. Set your French toast aside and add in half a tablespoon of sugar in the space. Cook until sugar caramelized and slide your French toast on the caramel. Flip it over and cover both sides with the caramel. There you have it. This is my favorite French toast. Drizzle maple syrup as much as you want, dust with cinnamon and a little bit of nutmeg and powdered sugar. Let's take a bite. Fluffy and moist inside, crunchy outside makes the French toast next level. It's homemade but restaurant quality. The smell of the warm spice makes you relax, and it's good to have on a sunny weekend. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And go to my website for the printable recipe and more information. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. Stay safe and stay healthy, and I will see you soon. Bye!